Welcome to Univastu India Limited, where vision meets innovation and commitment builds tomorrow's landmarks. Established in 2009 and listed on the National Stock Exchange, Univastu India Limited is one of India's fastest growing EPC companies. We hold Class 1A Unlimited registration from Maharashtra PWD, SIDCO and BMC and are certified under various ISO standards. Univastu specializes in carefully selected public infrastructure from sports facilities and metro stations to healthcare and government buildings, with projects spread across Maharashtra, Goa, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. At the helm of Univastu is its visionary leader, Mr. Pradeep Khandagre, Chairman and Managing Director. His vision is clear: to make Univastu synonymous with trust, progress and world-class infrastructure. Our expertise spans across sports complexes and stadiums built to international standards, metro rail stations driving urban mobility, net zero energy buildings leading India's green revolution, administrative and institutional facilities shaping governance and education, hospitals and healthcare infrastructure with in-house MEP, HVAC and firefighting expertise ensuring safety and efficiency. Univastu has successfully delivered several iconic projects across India, including the Dr. Shama Prasad Mukherjee Indoor Stadium, Goa, completed in a record 11 months, elevated metro stations for Navi Mumbai Metro Line 1, the Jhansi Pustakalay, a net zero building completed in just 90 days, certified under IFC's EDGE program, Shri Manohar Parrikar's Smriti Sthal, Goa, a 100-bedded hospital for PCMC Pune, indoor sports complexes at Kampal and Pernem, Goa. Univastu continues to execute large-scale metro and government infrastructure projects across Maharashtra, Goa, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Among our recent flagship awards are a state-of-the-art sports complex at Jalgaon worth Rs 240 crores, a cricket stadium and sports complex at Karad worth Rs 88 crores. Other prestigious works underway include the Bhagavad Gita Museum at Jyotisar, the APMC Flower Trading Centre in Pune, the International Habitat Centre at Panchkula, the Baramati Sports Complex and Mirtha Stainless Steel Technology Swimming Pool for BMC Mumbai and at Nagpur Sports Complex. In financial year 2024-25, Univastu delivered its strongest performance to date. Consolidated revenue crossed Rs 17,100 lakhs, reflecting robust operational execution. Net profit surged 55% year-on-year with EBITDA margins of 16 to 17% and net profit margins at 9%, maintaining industry-leading efficiency. A successful preferential issue of equity shares and share warrants strengthened our capital structure. Our balance sheet remains strong. Equity attributable to owners stood at Rs 8,000 lakhs as of March 31st, 2025. The debt-equity ratio improved from 0.62 to 0.43, underscoring disciplined financial management. Liquidity improved with a current ratio of 1.54, ensuring financial flexibility. With a strong order book of Rs 60,000 lakhs, the company is well positioned for sustained growth. To fuel future growth, Univastu has forged global strategic alliances. Mirtha Pools, Italy. As India distributor, Univastu brings world-class stainless steel swimming pool technology for sports, hospitality and wellness. Trusted at nearly every Olympic Games since 1996, Mirtha Pools positions Univastu to serve India's aquatic infrastructure needs as the country prepares for upcoming global sporting milestones, including the 2029 Asian Games, 2030 Commonwealth Games and the 2036 Olympics. NIOS JV, Falcon Control Systems. Together, Univastu and NIOS are deploying India's first wireless IoT-enabled building management system, BMS, with applications in metros, smart cities, commercial complexes, and mega infrastructure. This technology integrates advanced fire safety monitoring and next-gen IoT systems, setting new benchmarks in smart infrastructure. Looking ahead, Univastu is expanding its portfolio with confidence. Backed by visionary leadership, stakeholder trust, world-class partnerships, and an unshakable commitment to excellence. We are not just building infrastructure, we are shaping India's future, powered by global technologies and sustainable innovation. Univastu India Limited. Let's succeed together.